Do you want to program in a more organized, professional way without losing your work due to errors? Then you need to know these three fundamental tools: Git, GitHub, and Visual Studio Code. Let's start with Git. Git is a version control system. What does this mean? That you can save different states of your project as if they were checkpoints. For example, if you are creating a web page and something goes wrong, you can revert to a previous version without losing anything. Additionally, you can see what changed, when, and who did it if you work in a team. Then there's GitHub, which is like a cloud to store your projects made with Git. It's an online platform where you can upload your code, share it, collaborate with others, and work from different places. Imagine you're at home and continue the project you started at work. You simply upload and download changes from GitHub. Finally, Visual Studio Code, or VSCode, is the most used code editor by programmers. It's like your digital notebook, but with superpowers. It has tools that help you write code faster, detect errors, connect with Git, and even upload your changes directly to GitHub with just one click. In summary, Git saves versions, GitHub synchronizes them in the cloud, and VS Code is where you write all your code. Three tools that together make you program better, more securely, and more professionally.